Hello everyone, this is Kunal Bhatt here, and I would like to speak about ChatGPT. With the ongoing developments in the field of artificial intelligence, there is a growing need for natural language processing model applications that can communicate with humans more intelligently and intuitively. One such model that has been gaining a lot of attention in past couple of quarters, so to say a year, is ChatGPT, a large language model which is developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning to generate human-like responses to the text-based inputs that it receives. ChatGPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is an auto-regressive model based on the transformer architecture, which uses the neural network architecture that was introduced in 2017 by the researchers at Google. The transformer architecture particularly is well suited for NLP based tasks because it can process sequences of words in parallel, which makes it much more faster, efficient than the earlier models. ChatGPT is developed on the advanced NLP system, and it demonstrates remarkable abilities in any type of human language generation, be it comprehension or a conversation. It can create an article, give you the news, write a report, or can summarize or explain complex topics. It is also used to create dialogues that can be used for a conversational bond. ChatGPT has gained a lot of popularity in recent times, and as it is used for variety of applications from making a conversation for a chatbot to a content generation, thanks to its outstanding capabilities technically. This is the technology that brings enormous promise for the future and for specifically number of fields across. So to say, be it customer service, healthcare, education, entertainment, everything has some or the other contribution in the development of ChatGPT and consumption of ChatGPT. And what makes ChatGPT stand out from other language models is its ability to understand and generate the human-like response, making it seem that you are conversing with a real person. And that's the key with the ChatGPT platform. This opens up a lot of new possibilities on how we will interact with the technology in the future and how can we use them to enhance our daily lives. One key advantage with ChatGPT is it generates text not only which is grammatically correct, but also systematically coherent and contextually appropriate. This means that the model can understand the meaning behind the words and generate responses that are relevant to the input that it has received. This makes it important for the user to get the right response. The adaptability of ChatGPT is an additional benefit. The model is flexible to for variety of applications since it can be trained on wide range of inputs from customer service inquiries, creative writing. Its adaptability can be also further increased by fine tuning the work for particular languages or subjects. So the question is, what does ChatGPT hold in the future? Or similar models like it, what can they do for us? AI continues to advance. We can expect to see more sophisticated and intelligent language models that are capable of even more complex tasks that ChatGPT does today. And look at ChatGPT, it is just the beginning. We can expect more innovations in the same field for the coming years of yours. While ChatGPT is one potential application, and if I have to say one potential application where ChatGPT can be used is customer service. Why? Using a language model to handle routine customer queries, companies can free up the human support staff to focus on more complex issues. This could lead to more efficient and effective customer service as well as cost saving for the organizations. Another potential use case for ChatGPT will be in field of creative writing. By generating text-based prompts or themes, the model can help writers to overcome the writer's block, generate new ideas. It could also create automated contents for websites and social media, freeing up the focus of the writer to create more in-depth articles across. Another area which ChatGPT can create a significant impact is education. With the ability to answer questions and provide right explanations, ChatGPT can be used to create intelligent tutoring systems that can help students to learn more effectively and more fast. These systems can adapt to the levels of students' understanding and provide feedback and guidance in real time, making it more personalized and engaging. It could be any student ranging from anyone from K-12 to the PhD students. Everyone can use this platform. Moreover, ChatGPT is already known for the capabilities that it has shown in various fields, and there are thousands of people, lakhs of people trying it out every day in different fields, so to say journalism, creative writing, scientific research, and much more. It can assist in creating engaging documents, research, help developing research papers, and discovering new insights. It can even help doctors in diagnosing new medical conditions. However, it is a technology at the end of the day, and there are concerns that is there today on ChatGPT is potential misuse. One concern is the possibility of using the model to create fake news and misinformation. ChatGPT can easily generate convincing text that can be false, that can be misleading, misguiding, and this could be used to spread misinformation at a larger scale. ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the field of artificial intelligence and transform the way humans interact with machines and vice versa. It is very convincing that the technology will play a bigger role in our day-to-day lives as it keeps on developing, as it keeps on growing. But let's not forget that they also have their limits because it's technology that is built by humans, and there are certain limits to ChatGPT as well. We would not call them difficulties, but they are limitations that stop the effectiveness to come across. One is data accuracy. At times, the data may not be accurate. At times, it may not be very useful. It may not give you privacy information, or it restricts from giving privacy information, which is very effective, which is very potent use across. It will not show you unsuitable contents. So there are pluses and minuses when it comes to the platform. And if you see ChatGPT model will keep on evolving with every update, with every key factor of consideration, which is capable and compatible for the society. So OpenAI has been very responsible in creating and ensuring that no misinformation is spread across. So data privacy is leaked. So these are some benefits and some shortcomings, so to say, from the platform. And let us look at reasons why it will become the future of artificial intelligence, or it will be a catalyst to the futuristic AI. First is the natural language processing capability, because it is pre-trained on massive corpus data text, which has enabled it to understand and generate the natural language at a very impressive level. This is possible for ChatGPT to converse with humans in the way virtually indistinguishable from a human conversation. One, if not told that there is a machine behind this whole technology, would mistake it for a human to be there. And this will furthermore develop. As we have seen in ChatGPT 4, image recognition and defining the image. If we give the image, it can tell us what ingredients are there in the image. That is the next level of natural language processing that is happening. Contextual understanding, which is very important and a potent feature of ChatGPT. It can understand and respond to the context of the conversation. It can recognize the previous conversations and topics that you have discussed with it, adopt to the responses that you have requested or you have given the feedback on. it makes ChatGPT capable of generating more accurate, relevant response than the other models that are there. The third important thing is the continuous learning. ChatGPT is designed in a way that it keeps on learning with every interaction that it does with every individual who is using the ChatGPT platform. And with the time and with the data, it is improving its conversation and comprehension skills. It is adapting to the new context and new terminologies that is being used across. And this keeps on challenging the way the structure will grow in a complex manner. The fourth is the multi-purpose application that ChatGPT helps us with. As said earlier, it has wide range of application. It can be used across multiple areas of work, from journalism to medical field to science research to students in learning new topics across. So it can do everything that is required across with its own limitations and considerations. Because considerations are always ethical considerations that ChatGPT follows, which is very critical. And OpenAI has taken up proactive steps towards ensuring that ChatGPT is developed very ethically and responsibly. For example, they have implemented controls that prevent ChatGPT from generating harmful or inappropriate content, which also helps in increasing the transparency and accountability of the technology, which is very important from today's world. So to conclude, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool that has already demonstrated its value in variety of applications. And AI will continue to advance. We can expect to see even more sophisticated language models that ChatGPT evolves upon that will revolutionize the way we communicate with machines. The future of AI is certainly exciting, and ChatGPT has a way to go and play an important part in shaping up the road. If we look at ChatGPT, it is as groundbreaking as the browser that came across in the internet. So internet was one path-breaking technology that came, and browser was the second one. ChatGPT is similarly one of the groundbreaking technology with immense potentials for various applications in multiple fields. And we can expect that ChatGPT in the future is going to be an integral part of our lives, transforming the way we interact with technology and also with each other. However, it is important to approach technology with a caution and use it responsibly, ensuring that it is used for the greater good of human beings. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a good day.